Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the attributes in the DOM elements, and this goes all about the attributes related to that. So you're gonna learn has attributes, that means it has or not, getting attributes, set attributes, and removing attributes. So let's begin. So first what I'm gonna do is get element by their ID and check their attribute. So here what I'm gonna do here, use the contact. So document dot get element by ID, and we're gonna pass the contact. So contact. After that, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna check that it has the attribute or not. So has attribute of class. When we do that, it's gonna return you a boolean. That means it has a not in the appropriate boolean answer. So enter it's true, that means it has the content which you can see already, but it doesn't make sense when you throw which is there or not. So we're gonna throw on click, that is also an attribute. So on click, and when you enter that, it's gonna say false because it doesn't have that. And now moving on to the next one, which is get attribute. So you can get the value of the attribute by using those. So here, instead of has attribute, we're gonna change into get attribute, and we're gonna change this to class. So class. After that, just throw an enter and it's gonna give you panel. So this is the way we can get attributes. Now we can also learn to set attributes. The way is painfully simple. So how we gonna do that? Just if you want to create an attribute by using this, it is so simple, and you can also modify with this. Just you need to type set, and after the class what we need to do is use comma and do this. Awesome, right? Just you need to paste what attribute you want to set, like demo. That would be epic, and the moment you do that, it has now what we call demo as their attribute. So if you use get attribute, you can see it's demo now, and this is the where everything get interesting. Now the last one is removing attribute. We simply see the modifying, getting, and setting attributes. Now it's time to removing that. So just we need to do in the get, just type remove and throw an enter, and you can see it's not anymore. Just type get attribute, or also check by using the has attribute. See, it's false, it's not there anymore. So this is the way we can do stuff with the what we call attributes. We already teached about the elements and the documents, so this is the way we can do this. So hope you guys understand, and in the next tutorial we're gonna go further and change these things, the way to do this. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.